Yo, what's up, guys? It's TECHOSAUR. So, you guys may have seen that a few weeks ago, I put a screen protector for my Switch 2 by JSAUX. Now, this one has anti-reflective matte coating, and I just felt that it was kind of dimming the colors and making screen little bit not so crisp, you know? Some people may prefer a matte display coating, but I personally realize that I don't really like matte screen protectors. I know it has a nice anti-glare feeling, like it's going to anti-reflect direct lights. If you are outdoor, it's going to minimize reflections overall. However, it's kind of making the overall screen looks a little bit washed up, in my opinion. Like, I don't really like that kind of effect. There have been no air bubbles or issues or any dust. It's covering the full screen area, so you can see even outside of the display itself. So the whole original glass, you can see it's covering edge to edge. I just wanted to upgrade mine to a glass screen protector, a glossy one. So I got this one by Spigen, which is called GLAStR EZ FIT. We are so familiar with Spigen making accessories for phones. So in this video, we're going to change the screen protector and learn more about it. Like if you are looking for a great screen protector for your Switch 2 to protect it and give it like a nice looking, also like not destroying the nice glass feeling of it. Now I would like first to head over to the Nintendo eShop to show you some shots of the screen protector like now, then the original one, then compare it with the Spigen one to see like all the difference in terms of quality, image quality. So I'll go to Mario Kart mode. Like we just need a wave picture. I have brightness. I have brightness on maximum. You can see. So you can see this image, how it's looking on this screen protector. Now I'll turn off my Switch 2, remove Joy-Cons. So pretty straightforward, I hope. Okay, that's the first one. Then we have a second one. So two screen protectors are included. You can see in case you mess up the first time or one of them broke, you can go ahead and change it easily. And it has some preparation kit, you know, like an alcohol wipes, 4 of them, and a cleaning cloth, this air bubble squeegee to remove air bubbles. And we have dust removing stickers, big ones and small ones. So 2 of them. You know, here they say must remove controller before installing. So make sure you remove the Joy-Cons. It's very easy. You just remove this back sticker, put it on the Switch 2 display, press, wait 30 seconds and remove from here. First, naturally, I'll remove this one. It's kind of sad to remove it. Like it looks very nice. You can see edge to edge covering. However, as I said, I don't really like matte screen protectors. I don't really like the matte finish, you know? It makes the screen a little bit less clear. So you can see the original display. It looks so nice. Like even though you can see reflections, lights, etc., all kind of distractions, image is probably going to look cleaner. Like I really like the colors, you know, you can see how colors pop up and just more vibrant, more saturated. Like the matte screen protectors totally kill the beautiful colors, you know? Like even if you put it, you see, you can already see the difference. To me, I personally don't like it. Okay, even that's like That's with it and without it. So I'm not really a huge fan of that looking. So yeah, I'll just now put off the SPA again. First of all, I turned off my switch. I'll just clean it. Now we'll use the dust sticker. Now for small areas, you can use a smaller dust absorbing sticker, like for the edges, because some dust may get trapped here on the edge. So make sure that you use a smaller one to get them out. After I put the liner and the frame along with the screen protector itself, so I just place here and wait for around 30 seconds, as I say here. So given that the screen is a little bit big, it wasn't easy to get all dust out. So make sure that you spend a little bit of time removing all dust. 30 seconds have passed. I'll just remove this sticker. Okay. Now we'll remove. Now I removed the aligner. There is still like a film on top of it. So just remove this one. And we ended up with a mess. Now we got this bubble, big one. Now you can see that I got dust air bubble here. So it's kind of easy to do it. I just use a dust remover sticker, this one. Now the first one. Okay. Now onto the second one. In case you get this issue. Okay. I got them out. So you saw that in case you got dust trapped in, you can just lift it off a little bit and use those included dust removing stickers from the inside, like stick it and just get the dust out. And you can see after you do it, you will get a great result overall. So all of them have been kept out. So now we are left off with 0 air bubbles. It's actually not so bad, to be honest. But I noticed something that you can see it has a rounded corners rather than being sharp. So it's not really as sharp as JSAUX matte screen protector. You see, like this one is a rectangle and it's kind of, it has a sharp edges, sharp corners, while this one by SPA again, like you can see there is still some space that's not being covered. So it's not 100% edge to edge covering. But overall, you can see that in terms of quality, it looks actually great. So you can see the original display didn't lose anything from its vibrancy, brightness, color. So if you are someone who prefer a glossy screen protector rather than a matte one, like this one, perhaps Spigen could be a great choice. However, given that it has just rounded corners and not being 100% edge-to-edge protection, we're going to notice that a screen protector has been placed. While, for example, when I had this one, it felt like I don't really have any screen protector applied because this one is covering edge to edge and it just integrates much better than this one by Spigen. So I can't really recommend it 100% as the best switch to screen protector in the market. Yeah, I don't want to prolong this video so much. You got the idea. Like now I would like to try the switch. So I've been playing Super Mario Wonder. And actually it looks nice, like in person, I would say it looks pretty great. But just if you are outdoor, you're going to notice like a reduced brightness is than that one because it's going to reflect exterior lights. So guys, that was it for this video. I really hope that it was somehow useful to get an idea about the screen protector. Let me know in the comments below which screen protector have you been using for your Switch 2, or which one do you recommend me to use as well, or perhaps like try out. Even if this one like is great, I am okay with changing it if there's a better one. So let me know in the comments if there is the best screen protector for the Switch 2 that you know of. So be sure to give this video a like if you found it useful and subscribe to the channel to be up to date with future content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.